What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring a meme coin which is completely flying in the cryptocurrency markets, and it could potentially be up there with Pepe coin and Bonk depending on the next outcomes of this token. So we're looking at Myro. For those of you that don't know, this is Myro the dog, named after Solana co-founder Raj Gokhal's dog Myro. So this is of course a Solana based coin, and we've actually seen a lot of Solana tokens go wild lately. So this is one that we are seeing doing, crazy things. It's got a $200 million market cap. It's ranked 231 at the moment. Lots of volume is coming through on some major exchanges, and they're getting more listings. Every day they're fighting for more listings, and this is what's really creating that massive surge right now and the huge hype behind Myro the dog. So let's talk about it, a bit of the utility side of things and whether it's worth getting into, because you're always there's always a risk attached. You're hedging on certain things. You're putting your money into something hoping that an outcome will occur, maybe things that aren't in your control, such as a Binance listing or a Coinbase listing, and these things can happen. If you look at Bonk, this is on Binance. If you look at Pepe coin, it's also on Binance. So technically Myro could potentially also get listed on Binance. I don't want to create any sort of euphoria or massive sort of FOMO or anything, but I'm just saying these are things that could actually happen for coins like this. So of course the last 7 days been extremely bullish from Myro. Is $1 possible? Is 50 cents possible? These are things that could happen, and I think the market capital for this coin could potentially still 5x from here. So here is the website, looks pretty cool. And further utilities, this is an important part of a meme coin. With meme coins you want to have a decent supply, you want quite a lot of it in circulation, you want some sort of utility and fundamentals, and here we can see there's actually further utilities, and it says Myro is set to transform the Solana ecosystem, delivering essential utilities for the evolving needs of users. So there's a bit of a roadmap here. They've also got a buy bot as well, which is the first public buy bot on Telegram. So we're seeing a lot of APIs, like Telegram APIs and technology, get integrated into blockchain. Myro staking, and you got more utilities coming soon. So there's a bit of a teaser there. This is all really good stuff, and we can see, look, it says the liquidity is burned forever, tax 00. The symbol is Myro. So already, it's making me feel pretty bullish. Now, this is one that is certainly worth looking at, in my opinion, if you are a meme coin lover or holder, or you don't mind sort of going a bit further into the Wild West and taking those risks. Remember, this is not financial advice. So yeah, it does look good. The supply of the token is 1 billion max. We can see it from a holder's point of view. Looking at the wealth distribution, you've got a couple wallets, I would say, over 10 wallets here in total with over 1% of the supply. You're looking at 15 wallets that control each 1% of the supply. So, of course, there's going to be some whales holding the wallet. Some are probably exchange wallets. I've not really dug deep into it, but, I think it's still worth looking at. Now, Myro is actually trading on MEXC, which is a great thing to see there. Make sure you do sign up to MEXC with my link, which I've got down below, should you wish to potentially get some trade rewards. More trades equals more bonuses, and of course you can get Myro there if you wish to. So yeah, really parabolic. We can see on the relative strength index we have seen a bit of a ceiling. We're in the euphoria levels, we're above 70 on the RSI, so we're in the overbought territory, as we can see on the daily time frame. And when we add our Bollinger Bands, we're certainly sitting at the top region. So we're in a strong uptrend, very bullish momentum, lots of buying pressure here clearly, and you can see just surfing through an ascending channel here. Bit of a sell wick at $0.249, and we are above that blue line, which is the 20-day moving average. So what if I was doing, what would I do right now? Well, I'd first identify the key support levels. So we've got 0.052 as an entry point, which I think is super unlikely to happen now. And if we do see any sort of major correction, we're probably not going to see anything too harsh. I think there'll be a lot of buyback opportunity for Myro if we do see a correction from this level at around 15 cents. But if we see something super bullish, we get some more bullish price continuation to the upside, I'm looking at the 0.33 to 0.49 level, which is basically just using the Fibonacci tools right here, this is where it would take us on a short-term pump if we do continue to ride up here. So of course there's two outcomes. I don't know what will happen, but we can see, just looking at the RSI, the last time there was a correction, it did take Myro into an oversold territory, sub 30 RSI, and this happened when it delivered a small correction in the market from this overbought territory on the 1 hour time frame. There was actually a 43% correction here for Myro, but what it then did is blasted up 134%. So it tells me that it's very possible to see yet again another 40% correction down to the 0.148 level. And even if that did happen, you can still see, if we get that correction, sure, it could happen. I'm not saying it will or won't, but I'm just like saying what could speculatively happen is that we do fall out of this channel, we correct down to the 0.13, and then we blast off again from this region, just like it did in this wave right here. So that's something to also consider. I'm bullish on the token. I think it's got everything a meme coin needs. It's got a community, it looks good, everyone's talking about it, and it's done it quite organically. I think, I don't see them going out there like paying too many people to do stuff. I'm making this video because I've seen it trend, and I'm hoping to also meet some new crypto friends. If you're watching this, do subscribe to the channel. But yeah, things are looking pretty good. They've got a white paper, so make sure you always do your own due diligence, check out the white papers, and here we can actually see, look, there's the dog. So yeah, it's good to do a bit of research on things. You can see that's the dog right there. Hello Myro, how cute. It's actually quite a cute dog. And yeah, it gives you the vision and the breakdown, the utility, and what the token is about. So here is the dog again on the Twitter, 41.4k followers here, guys. So it's good. You can see the token address, and you can see there's also a TikTok competition with $5,000 reward. 10 people win $500 each potentially for this one. So 41.4k followers. It's worth looking at and keeping your eyes on. You can see, look at this, Bybit official spot listing is here. So this is really, really good. $250 million MC. Will this help drive it to that $1 billion mark? You can see, look, Bybit spot, new spot listing, Myro. So it's really, really bullish for everyone. People are celebrating. You can see Bybit have also tweeted out about this as well, because it's quite an exciting entity. It's going to bring a lot of new fresh eyes, liquidity, and volume into the project. You can also see Myro was trending recently on Qcoin in terms of trade volume, but also one of the best sort of pumpers out there in the meme market and the general crypto markets right now. So maybe they'll capture the eyes of other centralized exchanges out there, and we could see even more listings, because right now there's a generous amount of exchanges, but there's always room for more. There's absolutely always room for more. So what do you think, guys, of the Myro coin? If you're new here, please do get yourself subscribed, enter the Jacob Crypto clan, which is just down below my Discord channel with 21,000 members almost. And yeah, really, really cool to see this absolute pump. It's already done a 10x. Remember that, guys. Remember the rule. Try not to chase the green candles unless you absolutely have a true gut feeling. You have reason to justify why you think the coin could keep on pumping. It's been very bullish on the last month. It does look parabolic. So of course we could see a correction, but at the same time, hey, this is the meme coin market, baby. We could see this thing 5-10x from here as well. So update soon on Myro. Subscribe if you want the next video coming out tomorrow, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye for now.